dur.
We're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, feel it. You gotta believe it. When you go get on, if you won't get up, cause this is Africa. This time for Africa.
Let's go.